this out. That is me. That is a pretty cool drawing of me. This came in a little while ago from a guy called Dan. Danny Dowding. He's on Facebook under Artie Dan. Dan, this is pretty awesome. Along with some little baby pool balls. Mate, that is so cool. I love that. I will definitely take pride in my workshop somewhere. I'll find a space for him. Me. Welcome back, folks. This is a little bonus. Is it a bonus? Red herring. No, that's not right. Red herring? Either way, I'm not sure of the word that I'm trying to think of at the moment, but this is basically a surprise project. I just wanted to kind of do something kind of Christmassy now. I was sort of getting into the Christmas spirit because, as you know, I love Christmas.
I just like to smile. Smiling's my favorite.
And I know it's Halloween before Christmas, and I know that Halloween is celebrated quite a lot in the United States. We do celebrate it here, obviously, in the UK, but I don't think it's as big as it is out there. So I will try and think of a Halloween project. I just haven't thought of one yet. I'm thinking maybe a pumpkin, although I suppose loads of people have done one of those, but I know I haven't. So it's possible you might see a bit of a pumpkin come from me. It is freezing now. It's non-stop rain here for the last kind of like 10 days. And it's starting to now get a little bit colder, so I'm getting the jumper on, you know, and soon I'll be on the scarves and everything else. I'll be wearing this in the shop. Hello? Oh, it is getting a little bit nippy. So anyway, I digress. I'm going to do a little Christmas project, just so that I can get these little things, as you've probably seen from the thumbnail, up on the website. So if you were looking for a Christmas gift for somebody, then maybe you can use these. The reason why I'm doing this is, again, because I get a lot of requests for kind of bespoke items. So I apologise for me not doing those. I haven't got around to replying to all of them, but I don't tend to do commissions anymore, just because I just can't complete them in time. I get so many requests for things, bespoke items for gifts for Christmas and birthdays and things like that, and I just can't do them, so I'm really sorry for those of you that have asked. But what I do is the things that I do make generally go up on my website if they haven't been given out already to a member of the family or something like that. So I thought if I make a few Christmassy things that run up to Christmas, then, you know, hopefully one of them you might think would be quite good for a gift. You can grab one of those. Well, that's my theory anyway. Before I just shoot off to make this project for you, I had a couple of other bits of post in. I got these in the post. Look at these. These would make quite a cool project. Something similar I actually picked up from Spain when I went the other day. I'll show you those, but I haven't got them just yet. But they're very similar, and these came in. Hey Nick, I hope to get these to you sooner, but I didn't. Sometimes life gets in the way. Yeah, tell me about it. I hope you can make something funky. Joe. Cheers, Joe. I think it's Joe. For sending these down. Happy days. I will definitely be making something funky with those at some point, hopefully this year. I also received this box of goodies from John Finkler. Cheers, John. There is all sorts of bits and pieces in here. Light stuff. Loads of stuff. Switches and things. Electronic-y stuff. Heater. Aquarium. I really appreciate all this stuff, John. I'm not too sure what I'm going to make of this yet, but I'm sure it's going to be pretty funky. So thanks, dude. And also this sticker. Rabbit Town Art. Hey Nick, hope you're well and had a great vacation. I'm sending you the shop sticker, Rabbit Town Art. Sorry, Rabbit Town Wood Arts. Thanks, David T. Hobbs. Cheers, buddy. I will get this up on the sticker wall somewhere. Okay, without further ado, let's get on with this funky looking Christmassy project. Over to me. Christmas, Christmassy enough for you? So I had this blank kind of laying around for ages. I'm not too sure what I was going to do with it. Some kind of project that didn't turn out to be. And I saw it and I thought, let's make some of these little key rings. So I've got these little key rings. I thought they were quite Christmassy because they've got loads of colours in them. And I stuck my emblem on there as well. I don't know whether I should have stuck the emblem on there, because obviously they look quite cool without the emblem. But then I thought to myself, it'd be nice to brand them so that you kind of know, you know, who made them. Me. So as you can see, one has already been stolen by the wife. So I've got 4 of them at the moment. I probably will make a few more of these. But I wanted to kind of show you, you know, me making them. I thought they looked kind of funkadelic, if I'm honest. And definitely a little bit Christmassy. I've got some other ideas with some other key rings and bits and pieces that I was going to do for Christmas. But I'll always show you, you know, me making a few of them. And then what I'll do is I'll try and make a few more and then put those on the site. So these 4 will go on the website. Well, if you're interested. And a little Christmas gift for the loved one, or the wife, or the husband, the brother, or sister, or cousin, or uncle, auntie. You get the drift. And they shined up really nicely. So there's that one. I try to make some different shapes and sort of sizes. And this one. Well, there you go. I hope you liked it. So what I'm going to try and do now is when I put out a waffle, which this kind of is, I'm going to try and combine it with a little tiny project. How's that? Because I'm also, you know, like I said before, like, God, I can't get my words out at the moment. What's wrong with me? Like I said before, is that, you know, I'm conscious of the fact that, you know, some people don't like the waffle. So, you know, and you're here to watch me make things and create stuff. So I kind of didn't want to sort of just, you know, just do the waffles all the time, you know, and then I start losing you. I don't want to lose you. I love you. Thanks guys for coming over to the channel. I really do appreciate it. I really do hope that you like what you see. I mean, you know, not me. I mean, I'm liking what I do is what I mean. My hair has gone pretty wild again. I ham. Oh my god. I have. No, that's not even the word I was thinking about. I am working on a couple of larger projects. As you know, I'm trying to do this restoration of this old 18th century coaching style. I put it on Instagram a little while back to see whether or not you guys would want me to do a video of it. Because again, I'm conscious of the fact that it's not a restoration channel. I have done a couple of little restorations, but I've done nothing like this before. And as you know, I always like to try to put my hand at different things to see, you know, how I get on, you know, and I want to be able to do lots of other different things. And I don't want to just pigeonhole myself with just wood turning a bowl. And I hope that you like the idea that I create different things and do different things as well. So I am going to show you the video of me restoring that. Hopefully that will be coming out soon. That's coming along fairly well. And I've also got another project which is behind me, which you can't see, that I've been working on for ages as well. And that should be quite a large-ish project as well. So I sort of like mix them up with small ones and big ones and things like that. Am I waffling now? Oh, this came in the post as well. It's another dragonfly. And I like the colourful packaging. They look yummy. So this was sent in by Jules. Jules Distropper. Meow. Just a few days after the dragonfly video, I found this fella. How do you know he's a fella? It was like a sign. I do hope he/she arrived intact. Love from the Netherlands, Aurea. Aurea? Aurea. Oreos? Aurea. Cheers, Aurea. That is pretty cool. I'll be certain to keep our little friend in the shop in a safe place. I think I'll keep this as well. Is that you? One last thing that turned up in the post. I've got loads of posts, by the way, guys. Is some tea. Happy days. Some more peach tea. Some more fruit tea. Some wood blanks. And I've no idea what's in here. It's a piece of wood. And it's a pretty funky, chunky piece of wood too. This came all the way down from a fellow YouTuber. Bordaz Custom Designs. Bordaz Custom Designs? Yeah. But, oh, badass. Badass Custom Designs. Cheers, buddy. Thanks very much for sending this down to me. I'm going to enjoy my cup of tea and my wood all together. But I normally enjoy my tea with biscuits or cake. I'm unsure whether or not tea and wood would go together well. Well, thanks very much for joining me today, folks, on the channel. I hope you enjoyed yourselves. Bit of a project, bit of a waffle. Sorry if I went on a bit too long. But don't forget to check out all the links below. Where I get my music from is in there. Epidemic Sound. Click on the link and that will help support the channel. I also have a Patreon account if you want to check me out there and support me. I answer all the questions on Patreon, and if you want a bit of a one-to-one conversation with me on there, then that is where you can do it. I just want to say thank you and a special thank you to all of my Patreons that support me. I really do appreciate it. I'm sorry that I don't shout you out enough, but I really do appreciate all of your support. I hope you have a fab week, and I shall see you, hopefully, Friday. Take care!